Welcome to our room at the Jaz Aquamarine. This is April 23. This is a 3 to 4 people room, swim up. You've got 2 beds for probably the kids. You can have your room changed whenever you want. Just put this out, yes or no. The key card operates the electrics, so you put that on for your aircon and the electrics. You've got plenty of space for suitcases. This is your towel bag. There's towels in there. You get a number of towels for the pool based on number of people. You can put that bag out at night and they will then change them for fresh towels. Just leave it outside the door. Plenty. The room's just been cleaned, so it's fairly clean. The shower's pretty good. Good pressure. Some soaps, which are actually a bit hard to get out, but if you work them hard enough, you can. Towels. Fridge. Again, mini bar stuff in there, but that's chargeable. Tea and coffee. Water is free of charge, so they'll top that up every day, or as much as you want. More space for suitcases. TV. We've got some chairs, plenty of plug sockets. All that. Favourite bit, they've just been round and cleaned the room. Do a really good job. Aircon. It's quite quiet, doesn't cause us any problems. More plug sockets. And then the best bit. Nice little area here. Swim up pool. Some beds.